Quality assurance, ensuring the quality of food products through leadership in quality control. I'm Felicia, your food safety consultant. Today, we're taking a deep dive into quality assurance and its role in ensuring the top-notch quality of food products. Quality assurance goes beyond checking boxes. It's about a commitment to delivering safe and exceptional food products. Let's begin by understanding what quality assurance is and why it's a cornerstone of food safety. Quality assurance operates on principles such as consistency, compliance, and continuous improvement. The role of quality assurance. Quality assurance plays a pivotal role in food safety by ensuring that products meet or exceed established quality standards. One of its key functions is to prevent defects, which could jeopardize the safety and quality of the food. Quality assurance involves continuous monitoring throughout the production process. Quality assurance implementation. Now, let's explore how to implement quality assurance effectively in your food production. Quality assurance starts with training your team to understand and value quality. Quality control processes are essential. Establish checks and balances to ensure consistency. Define clear product specifications and standards. These are your benchmarks for quality. Supplier quality assurance is crucial. Ensure your suppliers meet your quality standards. Regular testing and inspection are part of the QA process. They help identify and rectify issues. Documenting quality assurance processes and keeping records is essential for accountability. The benefits of quality assurance. Now, let's discuss the benefits quality assurance brings to your food production. Quality assurance ensures consistency and reliability in your products. It helps you maintain regulatory compliance and safety standards. Satisfied customers are the result of consistent, high-quality products. Preventing defects through QA can lead to cost savings in the long run. In summary, quality assurance is not an option, it's a necessity. It's about delivering safe, high-quality food products consistently. Your quality assurance checklist. Train your team to value quality. Establish robust quality control processes. Define clear product specifications and standards. Ensure your suppliers meet your quality standards. Conduct regular testing and inspection. Maintain thorough documentation and records. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you've gained valuable insights into the importance of quality assurance in food safety. Remember, it's not just a process, it's a commitment to excellence. If you have any questions or need assistance with your food safety journey, feel free to reach out to us. Follow us on YouTube and Instagram to get more food safety tips like this.